In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the secure VPN. So this is one of the best free VPNs if you want to be watching movies or stream movies online. This is the best for you. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it and everything. So it's available on Google Play Store. You can download that. You don't need to create any sort of account, but then you can create an account too. Yeah, it's up to you. So now this is how the interface looks like. Just like every VPN, when you tap on connect, you are connecting. Yeah, so I'm using a Samsung Galaxy, so I need to allow the VPN. So I tap on OK here and it's connected. Good. So you can see it's connected now. Yeah, very simple. You see your downloads and your upload speed. Yeah. So now let me tap on it again to disconnect. So I disconnected. Good. So I was connected to France. That's my connection report. So now let's tap on the I think the globe. You see there at the top right corner of your screen. You see the globe there, just tap on that. Good. And you can get access to all these countries. Yeah. So you need to be on a pro version. Just like I said, you can create an account to use it. So you need to create an account and be on the pro version. If you want to use it for free, just like I did without any account, you just tap on the connect and you get access to countries like France, UK, Germany, Poland. Yeah. But in the rest of the countries, you need to be on a pro version. The US, they have a lot of states. Yeah. And also for streaming, just like I said, Netflix for Hong Kong, Netflix for the United States, Amazon Prime Video for United States and the rest, BBC iPlayer for UK, Hulu for United States, HBO for United States, and Apple TV for the US too as well. If you want to be streaming from a different country and you're not getting access, this VPN is the best for you. Just connect and get access to that. So now let's tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of our screen to get to know the settings of this app. So now you can see account, tap on that here. And you see this is my account type. I'm a free user. To upgrade, you see the bottom there, just tap on upgrade. Good. And this is the plan. So it's going to, convert the currency to your country's currency. You don't have to worry. Now let's move to settings. So auto connect anytime this app starts, so you can turn that on and off. Yeah, so anytime you open this app, your VPN is connected and you're good to go. And you save your last server, is up to you. That's the last location you connected to. That's what they call server. Yeah. And then notifications, to if you want to be getting notifications from the app, you can turn it on and off, which I don't want that. Don't allow. Yeah. So keep connected when your screen is off. That's a pro version feature. And also remove ads. That's also definitely a pro version feature. And that's it. To contact them, you can see frequently asked questions, which is the FAQ. Tap on that there. And why you need this VPN, blah blah blah. But then more questions is where you get access to them. Yeah. So I could not connect. Yeah. You send them their problem, you just enter blah 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 blah, and then you just tap on submit to submit it to them, and they get back to you. You're going to get a notification. Yeah, so that's it on how to use the secure VPN. I think I've talked about everything you need to know. This is one of the free VPNs for streaming, getting access to resources in different countries. So if you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.